Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Something a bit different this time. These are some basic hubcaps for a classic mini, 70s ones. These are actually like a mini clubman style hubcap. I grabbed 7 of these at IMM for an absolute steal. I think I paid £3 each for them. So, and I was watching a set on eBay that were considerably more for that, but they were in better nick. So these are a bit dented in places. They've got some surface rust on them, but I saw them, they were straight enough, and I thought, the Clubman, if you've seen it already, it's got reverse Cooper steel wheels on it, Dunlop wheels, with the standard chrome cap in the middle. They look ace, I love them like that, but I really like the Clubman style cap, and being a Clubman, I think it'd be quite a nice little nod back to the early Clubmans. So I grabbed these while I could find them, and I'm going to show you how to restore them. I'm going to use some basic tactics. I'm going to spray it with some soapy water, clean all the surface dust and dirt off, and then I'm going to use tin foil. Probably seen this already on YouTube to clean rust and surface particles off, but it works really well. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go, and then we'll polish it up and then see how they get on. They don't have to be perfect, the car's not perfect, but I thought it'd be something a bit different for the channel. So let's see how we crack on. Right, I'll show you what I'm gonna use and I'll show you the other caps. These are the caps. Like I mentioned, I do actually have 7. I've actually done 1 and put it on the car, so I'll show you that at the end. Basically, they've all got a bit surface rust on them. I don't know how they've been stored or whatever. And we actually got some tin foil, which you'll probably have in your house anyway. If you do any cooking or anything like that, baking. We've got a spray bottle of water. It's got a bit of soap in it. You can use Coke. Coca-Cola is probably the best thing to use. It does help move the rust. But I've always used water. It's been absolutely fine, as long as you put some polish and wax on them after. Absolutely perfect. So, not us looking for a show perfect here. I mean, these are getting on for 40 years old. You can't buy this style of cap new. You can buy the other style of cap new, which I'll show you on the car, but you can't buy these new. So you have no choice but to restore what you have. Right, so you can see on this one, there's, I don't know how well the camera's picking up, but there's loads of little pitting, little bits of surface rust on it. So we're hoping, there you go, see a bit better there. Hoping with this bit of tin foil we can get a lot of that out, and I'll show you the finished product. Right, so I thought I'd stop my little cleaning. You see that there? That's actual rust. You know, it's been lent up against something. That's rust, either from this panel or something it's been lent up against. Right, so you can see the rust there, and you're simply going to spray it with some water or your Coca-Cola, which I did mention was easier. Get your tin foil, scrunch it up. This does get a bit sharp, so watch your fingers. Simply rub it. You feel really against the grain doing it, because you do slightly scratch the surface, but you get that back out of your polishing. So, nicely over the surface there. Simply run your finger back over it. Check again. This is nice and sort of gliding free now because it's got the soap in the water. So if you see there, that's where that rust was. Slight scratch, there's scratching in it, you can see that. But you get all that back out, you're polishing, and to be fair, here you go, a lot of that's dirt. So that there, you can see the pitting of it still. It is going to pit, it's rusted, so, but yeah, you can see the point. And what I'll do is I'll put you back on time lapse. I'll finish cleaning this one with the tin foil, and then we'll polish it. Right, so that's my first pass over it with the tin foil. So you can see it's got a little dent in it, but like I said, they're 40 years old, but look, there's no rust on there now. So I think that's a bit of a better angle for you guys. And I'm simply going to use, if you watched the polishing and cleaning video I did on the sidewalk, Maguire's metal polish, that's what I've got to hand. Auto Sol was also very good for that. Really, best way you're going to get these perfect, as in shine wise and most of the surface scratches out, is a proper, like a wheel polisher, because I mean that would work a lot better with it. I'm going to use what I've got for now. The car it's going on is not perfect. I just simply wanted to get the rust off and make them a bit more presentable. So I'll grab the polish and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, this is the polish we're going to use. It's the Maguire's NXT all metal polish. It's like a paste putty. Obviously mine's nearly empty. I've used a lot of it. It smells amazing. It smells like bubblegum. It's awesome. Simply just get yourself a cloth and we'll start just cleaning it down. I'm not going for a perfect finish here. I just wanted to show you and demonstrate a really cheap and easy way of getting surface rust off your chrome metal, your bumpers or anything in your house that's going a bit rusty. Just run some tin foil over it. You'll get the majority of the stuff off if it's not too far gone. But yeah, we've done all the bumpers on the Clubman and yeah, it massively helps. So I would definitely suggest doing it. Right, so those are the hubcaps that are currently on the car. They're basically the standard classic mini hubcap on the Cooper reverse wheel. So if we spin round to the back of the car. Right, so that's the Clubman style hubcap now on the Cooper S reverse wheel. Still got a little bit of RIMM mud there that I need to sort out. Well, I think that looks really cool. I think that's a little bit different. Obviously these reverse wheels would have had those reverse, you know, the plain caps in them. So I quite like that. It's quite a nice little nod to the Clubman. So yeah, all this is a basic way of getting surface rust off your chrome. It doesn't leave a perfect finish. It won't make it look brand new, but it will get the rust off it, you know, and it's up to you how much you want to polish it. I would definitely advise polishing with a machine polisher, or if you've got a wheel, because it would definitely get all the swells out of the chrome and done. But for this car, I'm really chuffed with that. I think it looks quite nice. So we'll do all 4 of them eventually, and then yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. So everything's in your house to do this. You literally don't need to go out and buy anything unless you need your polish. But most car people have got their polish on their shelves or whatnot. So yeah, thank you for watching. Back on with the 89 build, like you say, we've got the soft frame pretty much straight now. It's a case of double checking it, measuring it. Let's get welding on it. So thank you for watching. It's just a short video, a little sort of top tip really. So catch you soon, guys. See, there you can see there's surface rust. This is the before and that's the after. Got some slight scratches in it, but really the video doesn't do a lot of justice, but you can completely see my reflection in it. Really chuffed with that. Like I say, we'll get a machine polisher on it eventually, get them swells out, but it suits this car, so I'm chuffed at that. But just goes to show, see this sort of stuff it shows, don't bin it, don't say no. If it's cheap, get it, because you can repair it.